You want to be on it? Oh. What up, guys? So we are in line currently to try this. What's this place called? I'll just turn it.
Cousin's Maine Lobster.
It's Brick, aka Super Cold. So
AKA.
I'm gonna try to keep my Shearling weather. Got mine on. She got her big Balmain one on. So I'll show you guys the menu when we get a little bit closer, and then I'll show you the food when it comes out.
Two of them.
Two Connecticut rolls?
Yeah, 2 Connecticut rolls.
One with lobster bisque on the side and one with a New England clam chowder. And then we have a can of Coca-Cola.
Got the goods. About to go sit down, eat, and see what we got.
Lobster bisque.
Lobster bisque. That's
cold outside today.
It's freezing. And we got clam chowder, which is also my favorite.
Clam chowder.
So we're gonna sample both of them.
This side is a little bit more secure. And then we got lobster rolls.
Lobster roll.
These guys for the soups. And another lobster roll.
All right, so I'm opening it. Damn, that's a big old piece of lobster.
This looks gorgeous.
That looks good. All right, so
I'm really excited for this shirt.
let me see if this thing is worth it. It's good.
I like it. I actually really like it. I totally get what you're saying. Like, this is not something to do very often.
I wouldn't do it again.
No?
No,
Okay.
never again.
Never again?
Nope. It was good, but I just spent like almost 60 bucks on 2 lobster rolls and 2 soups. I feel like I got. Was it good? It was good. I'll say that, but I don't think it was worth the money.
It was really good. I'm sure that soup is about to slap.
Yeah, but that's just me, guys. I go to City Island. I'll be honest. I don't know if any of you guys who aren't from New York have ever been to City Island, but it was good. You guys do have a awesome lobster thing. I think it's a little bit small for the price that you pay, but
It was 18 for the sandwich.
it was pretty good. And I will say that the lobster bisque does have big chunks of lobster in it, but
Do you want crackers in it?
I sure do want my $5 crackers in here.
If your audience didn't know before, they know now.
That I'm cheap?
Yeah.
Okay. I see certain things as being worth it and certain things as not being worth it.
No, I understand. But now they know. They didn't know before. Now everyone is aware. Ariel is cheap with everything except his clothes and jewelry.
It's not that I'm cheap. I want to feel like I didn't get got. The moral of the story is it was very, very good. It was premium. It tasted awesome with all 3 bites.
Oh my god.
It was just too small for my
For your liking.
For my liking. I was expecting it to be a little bit bigger, but it was delicious. I do recommend it if you are up to the price point you want to spend on that. If what's that saying? What's that saying? If you ain't cheap like me, buy it. A new day. I know I forgot to tell you guys exactly what I was wearing yesterday. It's almost the same thing. I will include a picture because I think I have a pic that Amber took of me, so I'll just put a picture on the side. I was pretty much just wearing the Shearling, my vintage Shearling reverse, the same way I'm wearing today. Balmain hoodie also. I was wearing my Golden Goose Superstar sneakers with the cheetah, print star, and calf hair. I was wearing double zip Balmain jeans. I'll link everything in the description box if I could find it, or something similar. Wearing a similar variation of the outfit I'm wearing today. I am wearing something slightly different today on my feet and on my legs, and I'll show you that when I get out of the car. But I am just on my way to grab myself a coffee real quick, and I think I'm gonna see if I go birthday shopping for Amber, because Amber's birthday is at the end of the month. There was a gift I had gotten her, but it fell through, unfortunately. I was a little bit annoyed with the seller, but it's all good. It's part of life. So I still have to get Amber some birthday gifts, so I'll probably go birthday shopping and include that footage when I hit the stores after. Run some errands. I gotta go pick up my contacts. I'm gonna grab myself a coffee. Having a little bit of a stressful morning because I had a lot of stuff I had to do this morning and I'm running a little bit behind schedule, but I am alive, healthy, and on road to get everything done. So I'm gonna grab my coffee, shake my funky mood, and then continue with this vlog. Alright, so clearly it's a new day. Obviously, there was no footage of me shopping yesterday. I feel since, you know, this is a channel where I'm very honest with all of my subscribers, I'm gonna just tell you guys honestly what happened. So yesterday, I literally pulled in to a parking spot. As I pulled in, I got like super sick and I had to like rush home because I had to use the bathroom really, really bad. I think it was because I had a rotten banana that I had literally right before I started filming that clip yesterday. Super sick yesterday. I wasn't able to go out because I had to keep going to the bathroom. Ha ha ha. Yeah, so that's what happened yesterday, and it kind of just like spoiled the whole day that I had planned to go shopping for Amber's gift. But spoke to Amber's sister. She said that she wants to go shopping also, so we're probably just gonna go together sometime this weekend. What I'll probably do is just do another vlog, and I can't obviously show you guys what I get her before her birthday because she watches the vlogs and she's watching right now, so I'm not gonna give you any spoilers. But yeah, so that'll be in a second vlog. But for this vlog right now, I got in some brand new boots that I want to show you guys. They came in the mail yesterday while I was home, and they're super sick, and I'm going to show you guys what they look like on feet, as well as getting into more details and just showing you my outfit with them today, because I was on the hunt for these boots. I know I say that a lot of things that I always search for, and these boots were actually from the 1940s. They're called engineer boots. They're made out of horsehide. I'm gonna jump into the clips of them in a little bit after I grab my coffee, just so I could show you guys more in depth and show you and tell you about the details while I'm showing you the boots. So I'm gonna go grab my coffee real quick, and then we're gonna jump into some clips of my new boots. All right, guys, so everybody's favorite part of the day, my outfit of the day. So today I'm wearing my red Balmain sleeveless hoodie that I showed you guys in one of the previous vlogs. I'm wearing my new Save Khaki United quilted bomber jacket in the tobacco colorway that I just received in the last vlog. I'm wearing my Coach mask that I just removed briefly so I can get some air. I am wearing my boot cut wax denim by YSL by Anthony Vaccarello. And then down here, I'm wearing my new boots that I'm gonna show you when I get back into the house. These are my 1940s engineer boots made out of horsehide. Super, super nice. I'm gonna show you more details in a sec when I get back in. Alright guys, so here are my new boots. We're in my new office space. We are almost done with it, so I'm not going to show you guys everything in here because it's still kind of messy and still small details getting done and painted. But these are my new 1940s engineer boots. Sick, lots of detail on them. I'll show you guys as much detail. Hunting for these boots for a very long time. A lot of companies now do make renditions of them. Westco Boot Company makes a version of them, but they're not as, in my opinion, they don't have the same shape as the originals do. And these are vintage from Sears from the 1940s. The way you are able to date them is by the sole. The sole's a little bit dirty, but I'm gonna go wash my hands because this touched the whole bottom of this boot after I was up. You can see these soles, these are all indications of the 1940s pairs when you do your research. On the insides of the boots, in here, it'll have like stamps and stuff, made in US, blah, blah, blah. This pair was made and sold in Sears back in the day. And a lot of the vintage pairs end up having longer, I don't have it strapped all the way, but this is really long, like this pair. And then also the brass or copper, whatever this metal is, buckle. The other thing that's with my pair is that these are horsehide. Now, I don't think a lot of boot companies do boots in horsehide anymore. I don't know if it's because there's restrictions or anything now, but back in the day, a lot of boots used to be made out of horsehide. It's extremely, extremely durable, thick leather, heavy duty boots. Like these are older than me. We'll just say it like that to like sum this up. But you guys can clearly see how amazing at least this pair has held up. Assuming that the person that originally had these boots didn't wear them crazy, probably just had them for work purposes. Leather has held up really good. Like I think that this is just dirt that has been on there for God knows how long. I tried to clean most of it off, but I think for the most part it just gives them character, but you guys can kind of see how thick the leather is. And to look for pairs now, I'll try to link any pairs that I could find. I found this pair on eBay and I got super lucky because size 12 is very hard to come by in these vintage engineer boots. But if I can find a pair or multiple pairs, I will link them in the description box below. So if anybody is interested in a pair of engineer boots, they are super sick. I felt like it was one of those styles that I've always wanted to try in a boot, just because I felt like it was something that I would wear a lot since it's such a clean boot. And also since the horsehide is so durable, I knew that I could literally wear these every single day and they were gonna hold up. So that's another reason why I really wanted a pair. I think that it's got some type of like vintage class to it. Like you just see these and think of like James Dean, or you think of just like real old school motorcycle style. And I really like the idea of that. I like how classic the boots look. I know that I'm gonna use them a lot. I was out all day in them already and my feet did not hurt. Super, super comfortable. Such a crazy amount of leather used, but yeah, these are my new vintage 1940s boots. The condition is awesome, I think, in my opinion. Let me know box below, guys, what you guys think. Are they a boot you guys can see yourself wearing in your collection? Are they something that isn't appealing to you? Drop me some comments below and let me know what you guys think. Amber let me know that she ordered me something as a surprise little gift. So she told me also to unbox it for you guys and record my reaction. So we are gonna open this up and see what's in here, because I have absolutely no idea what is inside this large box. I'm gonna set the camera down and let's see what's inside of here. All right, let's see what this is.
Did you tell friends that it's a surprise?
Did I tell them what? That it's a surprise? Yeah, I told them it's a surprise. I don't know what's in here.
I honestly don't know why the box is so big.
Where'd it come from? You don't have to tell me the brand. You just tell me.
French.
It came from France?
It's something French. Like nothing too crazy.
Huh?
I mean,
Nah, but a gift is a gift. You didn't have to get me shit. Damn, they bolted this box. Whoa. 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 What's in here?
Whoa.
All right. I don't know what's in here.
It's so beautiful.
Let's see. Don't forget me a gift. You didn't have to get me nothing.
Okay.
One more time. Oh, I think I know what this is. Whoa. Wow, this is cool. So I got a mouse case, right? There's a mouse pad. This one's so cool. Hot damn, this one, it kind of looks like Cancun or something.
It's Dia de los Muertos.
Yeah, this is sick. What is this, limited edition?
Yeah, it's from the Durat thing. The accessory line in France.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they had a collection for Dia de los Muertos.
How'd you get it? How'd you get them to send it all the way? This is great. This is gonna look great in the room. This is awesome. Thank you so much. You're the best.
You're welcome.
This goes great with the iMac. This is gonna go great with the room when you guys see it. I'm gonna lay it on the floor and show you guys details now. This is so sick. Thank you, sugar.
You're welcome.
This is a great gift. Wow. Bye-bye to everybody. And everybody, you guys can tell her shout outs to Amber in the comment section.
Bye, people. Should I do like you and be like, see you later?
Yeah. Do one of those. Anyways, this is this is pretty much the end of the vlog anyway, guys. So I'm gonna let Amber take us out. Go ahead, take us out.
Alright, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and we'll see you in the next one.
Boom. Later, people.